How to speed up transaction in MetaMask. Hello guys, in this video you'll learn how you can speed up transactions in MetaMask. So kindly watch till the end. The first step, of course, is to launch your MetaMask extension on your web browser, just like I have done here. Now, when dealing with pending transactions in MetaMask, you must know that you have a couple of options to speed them up or to cancel them. So, for example, maybe the transaction that you're trying to do is to swap your tokens. And then by the time you click on swap and you're brought to the swap page, now on this page, you'll be asked to enter in the amount that you would like to. The amount of Ethereum in this case, yours could be maybe any coin, all right? There are diverse coins on MetaMask. For me, I'll maintain Ethereum, and then you've selected the token that you want to use, which is USDT. Now, after selecting this, the next thing I'll do, you'd wait for is for the code to be fetched. Now, after the code is fetched, I'm sure you would know that you would see the estimated gas fee, you would see your orders page and all. But first of all, you wait for this to load. All right. So once that's loaded, you can see the total amount that you would receive in USDT from Ethereum, and then you'll see other things like the quote rate, estimated gas fee, and all. And so, assuming my balance was enough, I could just click on swap, all right. But now it's not enough, and so the swap button is not available. But for you, by the time you click on swap, and the transaction is taking longer than expected, the major way to resolve it is to click on the speed up button that you would see in MetaMask. By the time you click on swap, you'll be taken to another page. And then on that page, you will see the option speed up. All right. So you can just click on that. And once you click on speed up, this allows you to resubmit the same transaction with a higher gas fee. So that's the disadvantage. So by the time you click on speed up, the gas fee would be increased, and because the process reuses the same nouns as the original transaction, and you won't need to pay for gas twice, but the gas fee would be increased. And then by the time you click on speed up, your transaction will be sped up, and then it will be faster than you expected. So another way is by canceling the transaction. Okay, by the time you click on swap, by the time you click on swap, you also see an option which is cancel. So you can cancel the transaction, then start all over again. But then you would have lost the gas fee for the first one, and then you have to pay for that gas fee. So these are the ways of speeding up your transactions on MetaMask extension. Thanks for watching and have a good day.